Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your KeyBank credit card PIN, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your KeyBank credit card PIN, start by gathering your personal information. Locate your KeyBank credit card. Make sure you have your social security number handy. Open your phone or computer to access the KeyBank website or app. Log into your KeyBank online banking account with your credentials. If you haven't enrolled in online banking yet, follow the prompts to register. Once logged in, navigate to the Customer Service section. Look for the option related to credit card services. Select Manage PIN or Reset PIN from the available choices. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the PIN reset process. You may be asked to verify your identity, so have your personal information ready. If prompted, enter your new desired PIN. Make sure your new PIN meets KeyBank's security requirements. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again when requested. Once you've completed the steps, a confirmation message should appear. If you encounter any issues, contact KeyBank's customer service for assistance. Always remember to write down your new PIN in a secure location. This completes the PIN reset process for your KeyBank credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.